Hey affiliates, Donald with ClickFlare here, and in this video I'll show you how to set up a lender offer flow in ClickFlare. Setting up your landing page correctly is the most important step to tracking your funnel's performance. And today we're going to show you how to implement the ClickFlare lender tracking script and your click URLs so you can track every visit and click with 100% accuracy. So I am here on my ClickFlare dashboard, and first thing that we need to do is head over to Assets, add the lender, click New, name this lender. Here we are going to enter the lender URL, which is basically your website URL. So I'll head over to my landing page editor and grab the URL, paste it here. When you scroll down, you'll see this number of CTAs. Basically, this is the number of call to action buttons in your landing page. Depending on how many offers you are going to run through this landing page, you are going to change the number. Let's say if you're running only one offer with this landing page, but you have multiple buttons, you keep the number 1. But if you have, let's say, 3 different buttons and you're running 3 different offers, then you gotta switch up the number to 3. And once you do that, you copy this click URL here and add it in your CTA button destination. I'll switch this to 1 as an example, and I will copy the URL and I will edit my destination buttons here. So let's say that these buttons here take me to the same offer. Save the landing page. So let's scroll down here at lender tracking script, copy this one, and we are going to add this above the closing body tag in our landing page editor. I will paste this one right here, click save. Save it again and publish. Now that the page is published, we'll go back to ClickFlare. Basically what this lender tracking script does is that once the page loads, this script will fire and it will make sure that when the visitor clicks the click URL, it will be sent to your offer page. I will save my landing page here and I will create an offer. The offer is basically the affiliate link. I'll just do google.com. Make sure that I am passing my click ID to my affiliate link. If you're wondering how to add the ClickFlare click ID to your affiliate link, make sure to check the other videos that I made on the affiliate networks and the postback URLs. So pass the ClickFlare click ID here, save. Let's create the traffic source. I will select Facebook as an example. I will connect my cost integrations and my conversion API integration, save it. Go ahead and create the campaign. I click new. Select my traffic source. 2 things to keep in mind here. When you're doing Google ads, the transition between ad and campaign funnels should be direct, because Google doesn't like redirecting when the domain changes. But if you're running, let's say, natives or Facebook, you can simply go with redirect. It's not a problem. Click next and scroll down to path destination. Make sure the lenders and offers is selected. And here I want to select my landing page and connect my offer. Now let's say that this landing page has 3 different call to action buttons. Simply add 3 offers and connect them here respectively. I will click save and this will be my tracking link. So let's go ahead and try this one. Let's see if the tracking script fires correctly. I'll go to network here. Okay, so I'll see that the container is firing correctly. So the tracking script is working. And if I click one of these buttons here where I replaced the click URL, it should send me to Google. So that's how you set up a lender offer flow with ClickFlare. In this video, I showed you how to add the click URL in the CTA buttons of your landing page and how to add the lender tracking script in order for this funnel to work. So thanks for watching.